Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing my experience visiting the Château de Versailles. Here as you can see I'm with my whole family, my father, mother, brother and hubby. So let's get going and visit the Château de Versailles. Ici, peut-être contrôle ticket. Enfin, je prends un ticket 27 € qui est compris tout château et jardin. Jardin qui n'a pas de chaud. Oh, comment? Merci bien. Devant, il y a un contrôle sécurité. On se retrouve pareillement à l'aéroport. Okay people, so here I will be dropping some facts time to time about Château de Versailles. So first thing first, who built this beautiful chateau? It was King Louis XIV, also known as Roi de Soleil or the Sun King. So here the impressive fact is that he was the only king that ruled for 72 years. Guys, 72 years, long time, huh? So ever wondered how many rooms a chateau can have? This one has 700 rooms, 2,153 windows and 67 staircases. That's all not much, and of course the whole architecture is typical French Baroque. So I would let you enjoy the recordings that I have. Versailles was not built in a day. To begin with, two grand symmetrical apartments were designed for the king Le Roi Soleil and his queen. Then Le Roi Soleil, Louis XIV, moved his government and work to Versailles. The palace was extended to accommodate the whole royal family, courts, and all government departments. With the servants, the kitchen, and the stable staffs, 10,000 people were bustling around the palace. Once the courts and the government department were shifted to Versailles, then only the Hall of Mirror came in picture. The magnificent Hall of Mirror became the court's main ceremonial reception room. So people, this was only the first part of Château de Versailles. Do-do-do-do. I would invite you to watch the second part, namely Les Jardins de Château de Versailles. If you would like my video, please hit the like button and do subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and bye!